bàbá olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.
Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run bàbá olóyin nǹkan bàbá olóyin original. I'm the only seller, publisher of different books on honey and other spiritual books. The hidden powers of Africa. You can see it in my book, especially the latest book, which is African Power. And I want to inform you that my books, they are yet to be on Amazon or Jumia. You can only get it on my WhatsApp, or you get the hard copies. You can get the hard copies through your friends or relatives in Nigeria. Yes, you send them, they will buy for you. If you are within Nigeria, we can send the books to you. I mean the hard copies, we can send it to you. Once you are ready to pay for delivery, we use a very powerful and a popular courier service in Nigeria. They will deliver to you. Our books are online. That is, you can get it on your WhatsApp, email, or Gmail. But we are not yet on Amazon. When we are on Amazon, we will inform the general public. See this leaf. Some people call it Ewe Ikun in Yoruba land. I don't know what they are calling in other tongue, but it's a sandpaper leaves. When we were in the primary school of olden days, we used it to wash our chairs and desks. If you touch it, it be like sandpaper. It is like sandpaper. When you have a dirty pot, you can use it to wash your pot. School children, they normally use it to wash chairs, to wash their desk and benches in the primary school days. I will tell you that you can use these leaves to remove hatred from your body. You can use these leaves to cure gonorrhea. You can use these leaves for protection. You can use these leaves for your business to grow. I will tell you about it. Get seated. My telephone number 08054749455. Listen again. My telephone number is 08054749455. You can come to my office, Baba Oloyin bus stop, Iyesi-Ota. When you are coming from Sango, just tell them you are going to Iyana-Iyesi. At Iyana-Iyesi, drop or get down, get alighted, anyone you like. Cross the road to the other side. Take Maruwa or take a bike. Enter Maruwa or take a bike to Baba Oloyin bus stop, Iyesi-Ota. You will see us there. It's very small house. Ọlọ́run ló sọ yẹn di ńlá. Àlòkù àlòdò. This is the work God said we should be doing. And we are doing. And we thank God some people are appreciating. And I will never forget, and I will never stop thanking those of you that are giving me money for these little things I'm giving outside to some people. When they try it, it works for them. They do show appreciation. Yes. I taught people how you can use pineapple, that head. Some people, they send the child card to me. They send the child card. Some people are paying me money. Some people came personally to give me money on that. That they don't know that ordinary that pineapple head, that leaves, they can help to boost their business. I taught why you can use rice to boost your business. A woman or a man that want to cook rice will never sit down begin to count one by one. You can count the number of jerika, the number of tin meat, the number of this plate you want to cook, but to sit down I want to you count. Since you can't count it, how money will be entering your hand you will never know. It's little by little that make us to be full. Yes. Yoruba get power. Yes, Africa get power. All these things, they are not yet in the book. But you will expect it and see it in the African Power Part 2. African Power Part 2. I told you I will talk about how you can use looking mirror, looking glass to call back your ex, your former, your runaway wife, runaway girlfriend, runaway husband. But I told some people, you need to remove hatred from your body first. Because if we show you that thing and we give you that secret, if that your hatred never is yet to be removed, when your runaway wife come back home, see you with your dirty, with your hatred, you will not enter house. She will stay outside saying, I only come to visit my children. It is outside you will begin to settle yourself. Sometimes the woman will go to your school, the school children, the school of your children. They will go there to meet them in your absence. If it is a runaway husband, the same thing. The husband can visit the children in the school, in their hostels, or during the school hours, and we tell the children, don't tell your mother I come to visit you. He can be sending school fees, but it is you don't want to see. Remove hatred from your body first. I'm sure of what I'm telling you. I was in primary school days when we used this lizard head for Amudo love ring. We use lizard head for love ring. We use lizard head for aluwo. For this subusere, we can use the head of a lizard. If we beat somebody with it, the person will fall down. Then we climb on the person, we beat the person. It is the head of lizard we used to use during our primary school days. Power, Yoruba get power. Africa get power. I'm telling you. If I tell you I can give you looking glass, you use looking glass. Run away wherever you come within 7 days. We just prepare one soap. We prepare soap. We put it at the back of a glass. Whenever you want to take your bath, you will take that small part of that soap. You put it in your sponge. When you are bathing, you look at the glass. Bọ́sẹ̀, ọmọ lágbájá, bọ́sẹ̀, so. When a woman can never do without glass, they must. Anytime you are looking glass, when you wake up today, you are drinking water, you must remember me. Come back home. Come and take care of your children. The woman will come back within 7 days. If it is a man, you call the name of the man. If you come back, we prepare the soap. Only shea butter, ori. We use shea butter with one leaf. When we prepare the soap, you put it at the back of the glass. You take it, look at it. You command it within 7 days. Run away, wife or husband will come back home. Expect it in my new book, African Power Part 2. African Power Part 2. Please help me share this program. Help me share. If you have never subscribed to this channel, please do so. Do so that anytime I release or just release any video, YouTube will notify you. Help me share and subscribe to this channel. Some people they used to watch, they don't know that they need to subscribe. It doesn't cost you extra charges. They don't charge for that. You see the red button, subscribe. Just press that subscribe. And those of you that wish to press like, please continue to do so. If you see some people, when they put thumb down, I'm not surprised. Even when you watch a very good and interesting video, a film, so you see some people, 3 or 4 out of 1,000 people or 10,000, they will thumb down. Some people will thumb down because they like free information. When they will just call you, Baba, come and teach me. I have one problem. A woman called me, my husband ran away. Hey, what can I do? What can you do? Which book did you buy for me? Say, I bought nothing. I bought nothing. Are you not supposed to tell me? Why are you on YouTube? I was laughing. He continued to abuse me. She continued to abuse me. Then I call her, Madam, if the way you are abusing me, you bought nothing from me, you are calling me different names. If that is the way you are abusing your husband, she will never your husband will never come back home. He will not. You're a troublemaker. You never see me before. You didn't buy anything from me. Then you are abusing me. Some people are buying the books. When they get problems, they will call me. I will advise them, this is what you will do. But some people, they never buy anything. You ask them, which book did you want to buy? I don't want to buy anything. I don't want to buy. I only want to ask questions on what you have already taught us. I don't understand. If I'm your family, I'm your brother, you cannot talk to me like that. If I'm your husband, if I'm doing this type of work, you will wish me progress. That's it. When you see some people, they are ready to write bad comments. They are ready to abuse. They send different messages on WhatsApp. I always laugh at them. Some people just say, I want to attend interview tomorrow. What can I do so that I will pass that interview? I will just ask them one question. Which book did you buy? Sometimes I used to reply them, check the book you bought from me. So I bought nothing. Okay, you bought nothing. What do you want me to do for you? Am I to carry juju to your house today, between today and tomorrow? Just see me. Oh. When you see some people top down like this, you will know the type of people they are. The type of people they are. Free information. Some people will just call you. I'm a follower on your YouTube. I've been following you for the past 8 months. Follow without buying anything. Where that one done? Put me in your shoes. If I'm your family, you will not like it. For me to be giving free information, buy nothing for me. You just say, teach me this, teach me that. And those of you that have given me money, I do appreciate. You are the people who recognize talents. In our place, when our people, when they are jotting down traditional medicine, if their wife is passing, they will close the book. What do you want? If any of the children is coming, they will close the book. They don't release information anyhow. It's not possible. They usually keep a account book like this. You want to collect food money, they will put her to their pocket, give money. It is when that woman or the child, when it is after it's not with them, they will open the account again. Some people will write account, they will not complete it. Where they need to put alligator paper, they will not put. What are you telling me? You have to thank me that I'm releasing this information. Because this is what is killing us now. When Yoruba was Yoruba people, and we are saying some people are still, they are still in existence. When they put sacrifice, please, so tribe, I don't want them this area. Those people will not come to your area again. Yes. So people, I don't need them again. They talk to you, please, Mr. So. I want you to pack your load from this village or town. The person will pack the load, leave you. Yoruba get power. Africa, Yoruba get power. They call some people area boys. Who are area boys? Who are thugs? Who are the Morita? June 12. June 12 crisis. We know who helped us for June 12. Who helped us to claim that June 12 for Chief Obafemi, Chief Obasanjo? Torí wèrè ta la fi ní wèrè ilé. Kí lẹ̀ fọmọ ta pè é? Torí wèrè ta la fi ní wèrè ilé. Tí wèrè ta bá bọ́ ta, wèrè ta. Tí wèrè tí ilé bá bọ́ ta, wèrè ta ó sá lọ ni. Kí lẹ̀ fi àwọn èèyàn wá pè é? All these Okada people. So, when they bring out the power in them, you will be surprised. All these agbegilodo tipper driver, they get power o. They get power. Yorùbá get power o. O ká lu wo àná sáré ń bẹ lọ́wọ́ wọn. Tó bá dojú ẹ̀ tẹ́ ń mọ tán ẹ tẹ́ ń pè lọ́mọ ta o àwọn náà ló gbìjà yín tó bá yá. Mo sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ gbogbo ẹnu mo fi sọ ẹ tẹ́ ń pè lọ́mọ ta mẹ́wàá bẹ lọ́wọ́ wọn. Ìbá yín o mọ̀ ta o ẹ má dà mí lọ́nà ní tèmi o ọ̀rẹ́ yín lèmi o. Ẹ jẹ́ ká cooperate kí wéèrè lé kó cooperate pẹ̀lú wa ẹ mọ̀ pé nǹkan ń bẹ ibi tẹ́ ń retí ẹ̀ débẹ̀. Ewé ìpín sandpaper leaves. Yes, I told you about these leaves earlier on when I started this program. This ewé ìpín, Yorùbá call this ewé ìpín is sandpaper leaves. When you hold it like this, when you touch it, it looks like sandpaper. It is like sandpaper. Yes, it is like sandpaper. You can use it to wash your pot. You can use it to wash chairs and benches. We used to wash our benches and desks when we were in the primary school. This ewé ìpín, you will just get some like this. Yes. This is some quantity like this. Handful. You will grind them. Grind these leaves with any soap of your choice. Don't add anything again. Take your bath with it. That your hatred will be removed. When hatred is your body, you can never receive favor from Africa, talk less of Oyinbo people. But when you use these things, your hatred will be removed. There are many ways you can remove hatred. I taught you how you can use ashes to remove hatred from people. You don't need to stop that one. You continue using that one. And this is another one. Yes, when you are washing plates, if one soap doesn't clear it well, you know the type of soap you go and bring outside. You can use different soap. Instead of you to stay 30 years, 40 years in another man's country, you can come outside to do better job because of that hatred. The mama who bath you when you were born, do you know him? The water they used to bath you when you were young, the day you were born, do you know who collected the water? Your placenta, you don't know who collected it. So you need many things to remove hatred from your body. I'm teaching you again, free of charge. I don't want people to call me on this again. Anything I teach free on YouTube, don't ask me questions on it. I only give audience to who have bought my books. That I bought your book, the one you talk about sandpaper leaves, but you buy nothing. You don't buy anything. You are not ready to buy. Anything I've posted, listen. You can play back again. You can play as many times as you can. It's on your channel. Just buy data to be played. Some people, I'm just reloading. Some people will still call you. I want you to send all the video you have for YouTube to me. I will ask them for how much. They will not talk. All the video I've posted, I should send them to them. What of the books? I don't need book. The only video I want you. And now what? And maybe you have released it free of charge before. See me. What we are encountering in our place. I'm telling you, small. But they never be pay wow. They think I'm foolish. And some people know I'm not foolish. They show appreciation. They give me money. And I always thank them. Some people, I never face them. I never see them face to face like this. But they do show appreciation. Igbo people, I will always respect them. They do appreciation too much. Even Korea office, DHI, I was there one day. They call me, Baba, how are you managed to cope with Igbo people that they are patronizing you? I said, they are my customer. Right from the time when I was advertising City People magazine, Punch newspapers every Saturday, this Guardian on Tuesdays, I used to advertise there. This Champion newspapers, I used to advertise there. So I've gained ground with Igbo people. When I released my 50 ways of using honey, I used to go to Oto, Ido, Fadeyi to send books to the East. So when they saw me on YouTube, say, Papa, I'm now in Canada. I bought your books when I was in Nigeria. They do appreciate me now. They are sending money to me. Yes, I do appreciate them. Before Igbo people can buy your products, it's not easy. Igbo people, to buy your products, don't say wahala ni, from Igbo. But now when Igbo people come to visit me, another Igbo people used to visit, join them. So they used to talk in their language. I remember four Igbo people met themselves in my office. They were talking. I didn't hear Igbo, but I was talking genuine. This one genuine. This one na genuine man. Na genuine. Now only genuine I hear. And now so they don't call me fake. I thank God that they don't call me fake. They call me genuine. They were just saying, Agada gudu genuine. Agada gudu genuine. One time he came from Port Harcourt. The man is watching me like this now. From Port Harcourt, I do come from Abia State. They jam themselves. Agada gudu genuine. I'm not praising myself. I've been this business for the past 23 years. So I thank God. I thank those people that are appreciating what I'm doing. I told you can use this leaf to remove hatred from your body. Yes. You just grind the leaves. Get some quantities. Grind it with any soap of your choice. You can grind it with your local soap. Oshedudu. You can grind it with any white soap. You can grind it with any Oyinbo brown soap. Take your bath with it. You can use it in the morning. You can use it in the night. And another thing, if you have gonorrhea, you can use this leaf again. Gonokoko, gonorrhea. You can use these leaves as well. I'm telling you, you can use this leaf for gonorrhea. How you are going to use it for gonorrhea? You will get this in a bucket, in a small plate, in a small bowl. Get some quantities like this. You get some quantity like this. Yes. You get it like this. Put it in a small bowl. Add 1 spoon of salt. Iyo. Add one tablespoon of salt to it. Then you begin to squeeze. Just the way I taught you about bitter leaf. When you squeeze finish, you will remove this shower, these leaves. You remove it. That green water you will see green water. That green water you see, keep it in your room. Put it in a bottle or plastic bottle. Just take half a glass cup in the morning, half a glass cup in the afternoon, half a glass cup in the night. Your gonorrhea will go after 5 continuous taking of it. Go and do test. They will tell you your gonorrhea, gonokoko is gone. But it's not for staphylococcus. Don't misquote me. Don't call me. I use it for staphylococcus. It doesn't work. This one cannot do staphylococcus work. If you have staphylococcus, you need to buy this book, Healing Power of Honey. But if one you have is just a small one, that infection that just started, you can use this one. Gonorrhea, you can cure your gonorrhea. Anytime I come here to teach you people, mark my words, try it. It must work for you. I don't just come to teach anything because I want people to hear me. Sometimes you see me, I don't come outside to post. I have done it for 1 month, 2 months that you didn't see me. I'm still at my ESC office. You can see me anytime. You call me if you want to see me personally. You book appointment for that. Don't forget, I am not on Amazon. Our books are not yet on Amazon. You can get our books on WhatsApp. WhatsApp me. And the only WhatsApp number that can give you books, if it's my other channel, you know I'm the owner of that channel, Kenny Show Television. If you watch that channel, you can see my WhatsApp number there. Because on that station, I receive WhatsApp messages only. That's 081 084 31 336. You will see it on the screen like this. 081 084 31336. Then the program you are watching today now, as you are watching, is Baba Oloyin Original Television. My phone number and the WhatsApp number, I'm using it together on this channel. 08054749455. Listen again. You will see it on the screen. 08054749455. Yes. Subscribe to this channel and help me share. Help me share. Kí tó máa lọ, mọ̀jàmọ̀sá là ń bá kíkanjú lógun. Ọdẹ tó mọ̀jà tí ò mọ̀ sá ó ṣe irú wọn ó máa ń bógun bòmíì lọ ni. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi, mọ̀jàmọ̀sá là ń bá kíkanjú lójú ogun. Till next time when you meet me again, remain blessed.